Hey there, and welcome back to our channel for more informative videos. Today we're going to explore the common "my iPhone location is wrong" issue. I am Francisco, and we're going to walk you through a comprehensive set of solutions and tips to rectify this inconvenience. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more handy tech fixes. Now let's get into these fixes without any further delay. Part 1. Why is my location wrong on my iPhone? So if your iPhone is acting unusual and shows the wrong location, there could be a few reasons behind it. Things first, you have to check if your apps have permission to use location services. Sometimes if you're stuck in remote areas, your GPS struggles to locate you accurately. Also, ensure your date and time zone settings are correct. If they're off, they can change your location reading. Additionally, if there's the software update available, you need to update it for better compatibility. Sometimes the bugs and glitches in the operation can alter your iPhone's location accuracy. Furthermore, your location could be wrong due to hardware issues such as a malfunctioned GPS module that needs professional fixing. Part 2. How to fix iPhone location accuracy issue. Now that we've explored the possible reasons behind your iPhone's location errors, let's discuss how you can fix these issues and get your phone back on track to mark your location accurately. Method number 1. Enable the location services on your phone. It is a fundamental step towards resolving location accuracy issues by ensuring that the iPhone's location services are enabled. These settings allow apps and services to access your device's GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular networks for precise location information. To activate location services, you can follow the steps performed in this video. First of all, you have to unlock your iPhone and head towards its settings. Afterward, you can scroll down and proceed with the privacy and security settings. Next, tap on the location services option in front of you and then toggle the switch at the top to turn on location services. Below, you'll find a list of apps. Make sure that the apps requiring the location data have their permissions set to while using the app, or ask next time or when I share, based on your preference and necessities. Method number 2. Update your iOS to the latest update. Another fix is regularly updating your iOS version because it not only enhances security but also includes bugs, fixes that can resolve location-related issues in your phone. Now, updating your iPhone's operating system to the latest version removes software-related glitches. The operating software update on your iPhone can be done in the following steps. Start the process by accessing settings on your iPhone and tapping the general settings. It will open up many more options on the screen to deal with your iPhone. Subsequently, you need to proceed with the software update option. If an update is available, tap the Update Now button and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process on your iPhone. Method number 3. If you're using another application, make sure that the application is updated as well. Now, if you're experiencing location inaccuracies while using specific apps, it's important to ensure that those apps are updated too. Now, the updates are often released to address bugs and improve the functionality, including location services. Here's how to update apps on your iPhone. First, you need to open the App Store on your iPhone and then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Next, scroll down the list of downloaded apps to see pending updates. If updates are available for specific applications, you need to tap the Update button next to each app. Alternatively, you can tap the Update All option to update all of the apps simultaneously, the ones that need updating at least. Method number 4. Enable the location services for your phone. After applying the above steps, you can again check that your device's overall services are switched. Now, follow the steps explained ahead to perform this action. Access the settings on your iPhone, scroll down to find the privacy and security option, tap on it, and then select the location services option and ensure that the toggle is switched on. If it's already on, try turning it off and then back on again for a refresh. Now, here's going to be a bonus tip, and it's going to be an easy way to fake your GPS location on iPhone, no jailbreak needed. Wondershare Dr.Fone virtual location tool offers an easy solution for altering your GPS location without any effort and jailbreaking. Now, this tool provides the ability to simulate your GPS movement along custom drawn routes. Additionally, it is a one-click solution to change location, which allows you to teleport your GPS coordinates to any desired location instantly. Apart from that, the virtual location feature also introduces a joystick feature that enables the GPS movement to change for innovative experience in AR games. Furthermore, it is compatible with various location-based apps such as Pokemon Go, Minecraft Earth, geocaching, Tinder, WhatsApp, and Snapchat. Now let's explore the simple steps required to spoof your location in your iPhone. Begin the process by connecting your iPhone with the system on which Wondershare Dr.Fone is installed and launched. Then navigate to the Toolbox tab and proceed with the virtual location tool. Once opened, you can click on the Get Started button in the window in order to proceed. In the next window, you'll see the map interface. Afterward, you need to click on the No Device button located at the top of the window. This action will open a pop-up window displaying the iPhone connected to your computer. You have to choose it, and then click the Next button on the screen. After that, you need to follow the on-screen instructions to activate developer mode on your iPhone. The instructions include navigating to the settings on your iPhone, followed by the privacy and security option, and then here select developer mode and toggle it on to enable the settings. Subsequently, your iPhone will have to be restarted. Upon unlocking, select the turn on option when prompted by a pop-up menu on the device screen and enter your iPhone passcode. Upon the completion of the process, your device will successfully connect and then you'll see the map displayed. Now, to manage your device, you can click on the Manage Device option. Afterward, just proceed to enable the teleport mode, and then from the top right section of the map, use the search bar to enter your desired location and then hit enter. Now you need to click the Move Here button after the confirmation. The location on your iPhone will then change instantly, which you can verify from the iDevice using Apple Maps or Google Maps. And that's pretty much it. In this comprehensive guide on resolving the issue of incorrect iPhone location, we've explored various troubleshooting methods and solutions. Each method discussed in this video can be utilized to tackle the problem effectively. However, if you want to fake your location, then Wondershare Dr.Fone Virtual Location is going to be the one for you. So we hope that this guide has been helpful in addressing your iPhone's location issue. Stay tuned for more content just like this, and thank you so much for joining us in this journey. Now, until next time, enjoy.